So I maintain a lot of projects, and I am a single maintainer on almost all of them. And that's not because I hope that's not because of my personality. And it's certainly not because I don't want additional maintainers. I very much do. But it's hard to find people who have the interest and the stamina and um, who will take the time to develop the chops to maintain any package, even a small single purpose one. And so whenever a contribution comes in, I get excited. I'm like, ooh, a new person. Like, how can I make them happy? How can I make them feel welcome? How can I make them feel proud of their contribution? Um, and that's difficult when I have to say no to the contribution sometimes. But like, a PR just came into one of my packages 2 days ago. It's QS on NPM. It's got 72 million downloads a week. That's nearly as much as all of Maven combined. And instead of being able to just be happy that I got this PR to like make something faster, I have to really seriously consider it. For almost the first time, I clicked on the GitHub profile of the person and looked at all their activity to see if they matched that sort of pattern that the XZ person did, which was they sort of materialized out of the woodwork to work on this, this domain. And I had to kind of think critically about them, and I have to employ my own biases to do that. And that makes things, when people have to employ their own biases and perceptions, that makes things less equitable, less inclusive.